Welcome back, rascals. This week I'm doing a collaboration with Caitlan the cat. She's got a great little YouTube channel and she's a cracking little turner. What she wants is a ring that's 100mm diameter on the outside and 90mm diameter on the inside and 20mm thick. She's getting loads of makers to make all these individual rings and she's going to link them together as like a giant maker community collaboration. I think it's an absolute fantastic idea and I just jumped on the project straight away. Issue is, I don't have a lathe, haven't got one yet. Also, I don't have a CNC, so that would have been a nice option as well. So basically, I think I'm actually just going to have to wing this one. Right, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the ring out of this Ovangkol, which I still think I'm actually butchering the name, so leave a comment below. Because of the grain direction, when you actually make a ring, you end up with like the side grain on like here and here, and then you'll end up with the end grain there and there, which is actually prone to splitting. What you could do is cut a load of thin pieces and just laminate them together. I don't really want to do it that way. I've had a bit of an idea, a bit of a think, and I thought, cut the ring out to shape in the Ovangkol. So I've got this nice thin bit of oak here, nice off cut. I'm going to cut another bit the same in this Purpleheart, and going around the outside I'm randomly going to slice in some grooves to glue some splines, a bit like you would get on the corner of the picture frame. So that's the idea. Wish me luck. There's my blank, 20mm thick, enough room there to get 100mm on there. These are my strips, ready for doing the splicing in the splines later. Right, for now, I'm going to need one of these. Let's draw ourselves a circle. Right, that's a circle. It's probably not 100% true, but let's give it a little test. Tell you what, that ain't bad. I don't want to cut it into the ring just yet and then cut the splines in, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the slots randomly but efficiently organised around the edge. Whack in some of this and leave it to set up overnight, and then I'll cut the middle out. So back to the table saw, I guess. There you go. Probably a little bit too uniform to what I want. I like the way I spaced them out on the width, but I think a little bit more regularity on the length could have made it a little bit better, but never done it before. It's always good to try new things, I suppose, isn't it? So let's get to some gluing. of my winging it ideas actually worked. Can't quite believe it, but actually looks pretty good. Chuffed with this one, as ever. I'll be sending this off to Caitlan to add to a maker chain. I think it's going to be a nice little addition there. I'm very pleased to be taking part in this. It's always nice to collaborate, you know, within the maker community here. Really pleased I actually gave this a go. I think it actually turned out really nicely. It's actually got a little bit of randomness to it, and I'm sure it's actually going to hold up and have a bit of strength in there. So there you go, Caitlan. If you're not already subscribed to Caitlan the cat, I suggest you go over there and do so. She's got some great videos out there and she's a great little turner, so go and have a little look. If you're not already subscribed to the Rascal, then what are you doing? Hit that red button down there and follow me along on the journey. Until next time, I'll see you later.